Today we have a great opportunity to take a closer look at some of the most overlooked free add-ons and assets for Blender. These add-ons and assets are a great way to expand the capabilities of Blender and make it easier to create stunning visuals. In this new video, we check out some amazing 3D models and incredible free Geometry Nodes assets. These assets can provide the user with more control and allow them to create more complex and unique visuals. Are you looking for a powerful and versatile procedural Blender asset to enhance your projects? Look no further than Tiny 1.2. This amazing asset is now available for free and works with both Eevee and cycles. Tiny was created to speed up the workflow of creating realistic and stylized eyes. It's designed to be minimal and simple, while still being highly customizable and versatile. It comes with shape keys for the iris, pupil, and cornea, as well as adjustable properties for the iris and sclera nodes. This asset is perfect for creating realistic and stylized eyes for both humans and animals. It can also be used to create various expressions by simply adjusting the parameters. And with its compatibility with both Eevee and cycles, you can easily create beautiful and photorealistic visuals with this asset. Tiny 1.2 is now available for free and can be used for commercial works. However, please check the Gumroad page for detailed notes on use and licenses before using this asset. So if you're looking for a powerful and versatile procedural Blender asset to enhance your projects, Tiny 1.2 is a great choice. It's free and can be used for commercial works, so get it now and start creating amazing visuals with this amazing asset. BlenderKit is a free add-on for 3D Blender software. It offers users a library of high-quality 3D models and materials. BlenderKit library is constantly growing and updated with new content. It also provides CC0 textures, brushes, and HDR images to give users more options when creating their 3D environment. With BlenderKit free add-on, 3D artists can quickly and easily find the perfect blend of 3D models and materials to create their desired look for their 3D projects. This free add-on is an excellent resource for Blender 3.5 users looking to create unique free 3D models with a huge library of materials and 3D models. BlenderKit and Blender Market are two of the most popular online Blender marketplaces for 3D artists. BlenderKit is a free 3D assets platform that offers a wide range of 3D models, add-ons, materials, and brushes for 3D projects. It also allows users to upload their own content to share with the community. Create detailed staircases with ease. Look no further. Mr. KKS has created a blend file of stairs built with geometry nodes of Blender, and it is now available to the public for free. This blend file allows users to quickly create staircases with the help of geometry nodes. With the ability to adjust the size in real time while in edit mode, the number of steps changes automatically depending on the height and length of the staircase. Furthermore, it is possible to change the number of stages by manipulating the numerical value. The blend file was created with Blender, the latest version of the popular 3D graphics software. This means that users can benefit from the improved visual effects, as well as the new tools and features that Blender 3.0 provides. Not only does this blend file make it easy to create staircases, but it also gives users the ability to create a variety of other visual effects, such as motion graphics, animations, and more. If you're looking for a way to unlock the possibilities of Blender, then look no further than the free blend file of stairs built with geometry nodes of Blender. With this blend file, you can quickly create stunning staircases, as well as a variety of other visual effects. So don't wait any longer, download the blend file today and start creating amazing visual effects. If you are looking to create 3D animations with ease, then the motion data available from Noitom's Mocap Market is the perfect solution. With over 900 motion data available for free download, you can start creating 3D animations on Blender right away. Get started today and explore the limitless possibilities of 3D animation with motion data from the Mocap Market. Using the motion data available on the Mocap Market is a breeze. All you need to do is select the motion you wish to use and download it. You can then import the motion data into Blender and begin animating your 3D objects. With the motion data in place, you can start creating amazing 3D animations quickly and easily. The motion data available from the Mocap Market provides a wide range of possibilities for creating 3D animations. With over 900 motion data available for free download, you can create animations of any kind. Whether you are looking to create a simple animation or a complex scene with multiple 3D objects, the motion data from the Mocap Market can help you achieve your goals. For all the character artists out there, the Blender Foundation has released a free asset bundle called Human Base Meshes that will make your life easier and your workflows more efficient. This bundle includes 17 great assets, featuring both realistic and stylized male and female models, as well as individual body parts. Human Base Meshes was designed to simplify character art workflows in Blender, enabling the user to utilize its meshes for sculpting, animation, texturing, and more. By default, the assets are provided as a blend file but can be exported into many other formats such as USD, Alembic, OBJ, and FBX. This bundle comes with many great features that can make your work easier and more efficient. It includes multi-resolution levels for realistic assets, quad topology for multi-resolution sculpting, UV maps, including UDIMs, creased edges and subdiv modifiers for planar assets, closed volumes for voxel remeshing, and face sets. Overall, this asset bundle is a great addition to the Blender Foundations library and can make character art workflows so much easier and more efficient. If you're a character artist who uses Blender, then you should definitely check out Human Base Meshes and see how it can make your workflows simpler and better. Mossify is a powerful and free resource for creating realistic 3D moss in Blender. Developed by Blender artist Nino, Mossify is a procedural HQ moss generator that allows users to easily add moss to any 3D model with just a few clicks. The node setup is designed for close-up renders, providing high-quality results. Within the Mossify Geometry Node setup, users can control various parameters such as noise, size, and density of the filaments of moss, as well as some leaves. This makes adding moss to any 3D model in Blender a breeze. To make things even easier, Nino has made the Mossify Geometry Node setup available as a free download. Moss has become a popular addition to 3D models in recent years, as it adds a realistic and beautiful element to any scene. By utilizing Mossify, users can quickly and easily add moss to any 3D model in Blender, without having to manually create each element. This makes it a great time-saving tool for 3D artists and designers. Mossify also offers a great deal of control over the parameters of the moss, allowing users to easily customize the look and feel of the moss in the scene. With its powerful and easy-to-use setup, Mossify is a great tool for adding realistic moss to any Blender 3D model. Alexei Yakovlev has taken the potential of geometry nodes to the next level. His building generator add-on, available from Gumroad, is a perfect example of the power of geometry nodes. This add-on allows users to quickly and easily generate a variety of building types, from simple structures to complex complexes. The building generator add-on is free to download, though the author encourages users to make a donation if they find it useful. The fair price model of Gumroad allows users to make a donation of any amount before downloading or to set the value to 0 for a free download. Using the building generator, users can quickly and easily generate a variety of buildings and structures. It supports a wide range of parameters, from the size of the building to the color of the walls and roof. The user can also specify the number of floors and the number of windows and doors. This makes it easy to create complex structures and buildings quickly and easily. The building generator also allows users to create random structures and buildings. This is a great way to quickly generate a variety of structures and buildings with different characteristics. For example, a user could generate a series of buildings with different heights, colors, and textures.